Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a beautiful 2018 Jeep Compass Trailhawk. This is Spitfire Orange. It is an absolutely beautiful color. This video will not do it justice. This is the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission. You have the Beats premium audio stereo system, panoramic sunroof. Here you have, if you go in here, heated seats and a heated steering wheel. Of course, you have radio, you have Bluetooth. Here's all your climate controls, parking sensors. Go down here, there's your multi-terrain select. The Trailhawk has this for snow, sand, mud, and rock. You have a 4-wheel drive lock and a 4-wheel drive low. Come over here. This 2018 Compass does have 46,957 miles. Still under factory warranty and drives great. Another thing to mention, you have these Trailhawk embroidered seats. It's a nice little touch that Jeep does. You have remote start and a hands-free liftgate. Even though it's a small little Compass, these things have plenty of room. I mean, these are the floorboards. I mean, you can go camping for the weekend or even a week and have plenty of luggage room in there. Especially if you don't need the second row, fold it down and have any more. I mean, the Trailhawk is built to go off-road. It is very well an off-road vehicle, even though it's such a small SUV. But this thing will not last long. When we get Jeeps on the lot, they go fast. So, you got my number. Call, text me. Let's work some numbers as I make a deal. This is Country Chevrolet. We're located in Benton, Kentucky. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.